I'm going to be reading a story from Disney's Baby Collection, Cozy Kittens. Alone at the easel, his work almost done, Toulouse signs his painting. It's his very first one. Soon Berlioz will make his piano debut, but practicing is more fun when there are two. A cat nap together with Sister Marie. The kittens are cozy. 1, 2, and 3. 3 curious kittens race to the store, and when Mama joins them, Duchess makes 4. The dancing begins as the O'Malley's arrive. The only thing better than 4 cats is 5. The end. Thanks for watching.